Hello friends, this is Rajiv Gupta from Srimati M.D. Patel Institute of Physical Science and Research Anand. The course which is I am teaching, that is MSc Organic Chemistry. The semester is first semester. The subject is Organic Chemistry first. Its subject code is PS01 CCHE22. The unit number is 4, which is aromatic substitution reactions, where the substituents are electrophile or nucleophile depending on their philicity nature. These reactions are divided into two parts. These reactions occur on these aromatic systems, so these are called aromatic substitution reactions. Here today I am going to talk about these basic aromatic substitution reactions with respect to considering this electrophilic reactions. So here I am just talking, I am taking just introduction part of these reactions. So what is an electrophilic substitution in aromatic compounds? In aromatic compounds, unlike aliphatic compounds, undergo substitution in aromatic nucleus when treated with suitable electrophile. What is the meaning of this line? That aliphatic compounds which have pi electrons, compounds which have pi electrons generally show addition reactions with the electrophiles. Okay, these shows addition reactions with these electrophiles, but the aromatic compounds which also contain pi electrons show substitution reactions instead of addition reactions. Comparison of reaction between cyclohexene with bromine and that of benzene with bromine can be explained like this. We can see that cyclohexene contains 2 pi electrons and benzene ring contains 3 pi electrons, 3 pi bonds or 6 pi electrons. So if we see the reaction of this alkene with bromine, then we see an addition reaction of bromine on this double bond. This 1 pi bond breaks and 2 sigma bond formation take place. This is the simple example of addition reaction of alkene. But see, here total 3 double bonds are present or total 6 pi electrons are present. So this bromine addition should take place 3 times on this benzene ring system because it contains 6 pi electrons. But here addition reaction does not take place. Here substitution reaction takes place, means here bromine atom or incoming electrophile, here as we see electrophile will attack on any available 6 sides of benzene ring and replace or substitute hydrogen atom from this ring. So it substitutes hydrogen atom and the bromine addition takes place or substitution takes place. So instead of addition, in case of aromatics we get substitution. So see, this is an non-aromatic compound. Okay, this is just an alkene, non-aromatic compound, but this is highly unsaturated alkene, or we can say that this is aromatic compound. So this aromatic compound does not show this type of addition reaction. Here we get in addition trans 1,2-dibromocyclohexane, where the anti-addition of this bromine takes place and we get trans isomer as a product, as 100% this isomer. But in case of this we get substituted product. this bromobenzene, we would not get dibromobenzene like this. This is dibromo compound. We don't get this type of compound. The difference between this kind of behavior of benzene towards bromination originates from it being aromatic. As I explained earlier, that because of this aromatic nature of benzene, it does not show addition reaction on it. If we assume a direct addition of bromine as 1,2 addition across one of the double bonds of benzene, the product obtained would be non-aromatic. See, if suppose we made an addition product, so at these both positions, both carbon atoms or both sides, one bromine atom will be attached like this. This is simple addition reaction, just like alkenes. Now see, due to this addition, the aromaticity of this ring, aromatic character of this ring has been lost in the product. So this product is not favorable, means formation of this product is not favorable, so it is not formed. So the addition reaction like this is not happened in aromatics. Such a reaction is not favorable thermodynamically. What is the meaning of this thermodynamically? Means the formed product is less stable compared to reactants, or we can say that this formed addition product is very less stable compared to, or compared to that aromatic substituted product, mono-bromo substituted product. So this is not favorable for thermodynamically. So this reaction thermodynamically is not possible. Its electrophilic substitution with bromine is only compatible in the presence of some strong Lewis acid, making bromine electrophilic. Generally, bromine, this Br2, work as electrophile as well as nucleophile depending on the reaction conditions. To make it a strong electrophile, electrophile means which contains a positive charge on it, that is electrophile. To make bromine as work as an electrophile, we need a strong Lewis acid in the reaction mixture to attain electrophilic substitution or aromatics. So to become this reaction compatible, always we have to use a strong Lewis acid in these reactions. So generally a catalyst, generally Lewis acids, are used for aromatic electrophilic substitution reactions. Now see the some basic simple mechanism of both type of reactions. Reaction of simple alkene with bromine and reaction of this benzene with bromine. This is just a simple just mechanism of this reactions. Now first reaction is addition of bromine on alkene. See, this Br2 work as an electrophile in this reaction. See, in this reaction it work as an electrophile. Here it also work as an electrophile. We know that Br2 element contains low lying sigma anti-bonding orbitals. Low lying means low energy, anti-bonding, sigma anti-bonding orbitals, where they may get electron density from a outer moiety. So here the outer moiety is the substrate, this alkene. So these pi electrons could be donated to this bromine element like this. We can show the electron movements like this. These towards this side, and this bond will break just like a heterolytic cleavage, and Br minus ion removes here, and this bromine forms a cyclic bromonium ion, this 3-membered cyclic ring we can see here, and this bromine will form these sigma bonds at the same side. So we can see that both these bonds are present at wedge. So this cyclic bromonium ion form bond at the same side or at the same face of pi bond. Now this cyclic bromonium ion, which is an intermediate in the addition reaction, in the simple addition reaction, work as an reactant for further addition of this nucleophile. This Br minus may attack from this side or this side. This is just like a simple nucleophilic substitution reaction. This is this portion. This is just like a simple nucleophilic substitution where this Br minus may attack from this side or from this side. Means this is a back side. This just a SN2 type bimolecular nucleophilic substitution, SN2 type mechanism where it may attack from this side or this side. If it attacks this back side, then this bond breaks and this bromine remains at wedge, and this backside attacking bromine nucleophile remains at dash. So we get a trans isomer in 100% as a product. So this is the simple basic mechanism of the addition of bromine on this cyclohexene ring system, whereas mechanism of bromination in the presence of FeBr3 can be given as follows. Here FeBr3 will work as a Lewis acid, strong Lewis acid, which gains electron density from Br2 element, okay, and forms Br plus electrophile. So here bromine plus Br plus electrophile forms. That electrophile attacks on aromatic ring system and substitution reaction takes place. Here bromine is made more electrophilic by its association with the Lewis acid. See, this is the concerted mechanism where FeBr3 Lewis acid approaches Br2, and this Br provides electron density to this FeBr3. Simply we can observe that lone pairs present on bromine atom are provided to this FeBr3 Lewis acid, and this Br single bond becomes loose, and this bromine atom becomes somewhat more electropositive or contains partially positive charge. Now this bromine atom will work as an electrophile. Now this benzene ring system, which is rich in electron density due to presence of 6 pi electrons, so it is electron rich moiety, and this is electron deficient moiety, or work as an electrophile and it work as an nucleophile. So this electron density is provided to this bromine portion. So first of all, a pi complex formation take place in a transition state and when complete pi bond is shifted towards this bromine atom, then this pi electrons converts into sigma bonding electrons where carbon bromine sigma bond formation take place, and here a positive charge appears at this carbon atom due to, we can show, shifting towards this side, and this portion removes as Br4 minus. So we can see here this bromine atom is directly attached to this carbon atom of this cyclic system. Now this system becomes non-aromatic. See, the aromaticity is lost here because conjugation is lost, because in between this conjugation a sp3 carbon comes. This is tetrahedral carbon, sp3 carbon, on which a bromine atom is attached. So the conjugation is lost, which is present in this system, benzene ring system. So this becomes a non-aromatic intermediate. This intermediate is called sigma complex or arenium ion or benzene ion or Wieland intermediate. Why it is called a sigma complex? Because it contains a extra sigma bond instead of a pi bond, because this pi bond converts into sigma bond. So it is called as a sigma complex. Now in the next step of this reaction, this is the first step of this reaction, and in the second step this hydrogen atom removes from here as H plus ion and left this sigma bonding electrons inside the ring, and these sigma bonding electrons converts as a pi electrons, and the aromaticity again recovered, means the final product becomes again aromatic. Now this is complete reaction is an electrophilic substitution. In the first step the addition of electrophile takes place, and in the next step removal of this H plus takes place. So it is an elimination step. First step is addition step and second step is elimination step. So combinedly both are called as substitution. So here addition does not take place, here substitution takes place. Intermediate in both the reactions is cation. See, this intermediate is a cation, cyclic bromonium ion, this is cation, and this is sigma complex is also a cation or carbocation, but it is bridged cation in first case. This is bridged, okay, cyclic bromonium ion, this is first. In the first case it is bridged cation, while in the case of erinium ion or sigma complex while stable erinium ion is resonance stabilized in the second case. See, here it is resonance stabilized because this positive charge is delocalized over these carbon atoms, over this portion of the system, due to conjugation with these 2 pi bonds or with these 4 pi electrons. Due to this conjugation and shifting of this plus charge, many resonating structures, total 3 resonating structures we obtain. Due to this resonance, this erinium ion is stabilized, but this type of resonance is absent in this intermediate. Now the first intermediate, which is cyclic bromonium ion, adds anion, while second lost a proton so as to restore its aromatic character. Okay, in first case means addition, in second step anion, which is Br minus ion, addition takes place, but in case of erinium ion a loss of proton takes place. Due to this loss of a proton, the aromatic character again restored or attained. So aromaticity is not lost in the second reaction, or we can say in benzene we cannot lose or we may not lose this aromatic character. This unusual behavior of benzene can be explained by taking into account its orbital interaction. This is the some orbital view of this benzene ring. The benzene ring is a planar molecule where all the 6 carbon atoms and all the 6 hydrogen atoms are situated in a single molecular plane, and these 6 pz orbitals on carbon atoms are just perpendicular to this molecular plane. These pz orbitals contains 1 electrons, which are called here 6 pi electrons. These 6 pi electrons overlap to each other and form 3 pi molecular orbitals where electron density is present over the ring and below the ring. Okay, these are made up of overlap of 6 atomic p orbitals on carbon atom. This is the orbital view where we can see that this orbital view where total 6 electrons are shown in bonding portion, in bonding orbital, bonding pi orbital, and these 3 anti-bonding pi orbitals are shown. So in this arrangement, what we see a different thing. These atomic orbitals are placed in such way. Which atomic orbitals? These atomic orbitals, pz orbitals are placed in such way that the molecule attains extra stability than conjugated double bonds in aliphatic systems. Means simple aliphatic systems means simple alkenes compared to simple alkenes, where these alkenes contain conjugated double bonds. Here, in this type of arrangement, this closed loop arrangement, a more stability is attained. More stability is obtained around with extra stability of 140 kilojoule per mole. Means compared to this conjugated double bond system, suppose we compare this system with that normal simple chain hexane, uh, conjugated 135 tri 135 hexatriene is this type of molecule where three double bonds are in conjugation. If we compare with that molecule, this type of molecule which also contains three double bonds, it attains more stability uh, with the difference of 140 kilojoule per mole. So these aromatic structures are very stable compared to these conjugated double bond aliphatic systems. So due to this stability, higher stability, these ring systems show substitution reaction instead of addition reaction, because due to addition reactions this type of conjugation and this extra stability is lost. So what is shown here, it is written, it is again indicated by shift of equivalent hydrogens in proton magnetic resonance spectrum, which is proton NMR spectrum. Here the 1H NMR spectrum, the chemical shift values for the hydrogen nucleus obtained at 7.2 ppm, del value 7.2 ppm, which is very high value compared to hydrogen atoms which are directly attached to alkene double bond carbon atoms. How it is obtained at this high value means these hydrogen atoms which are present on benzene ring are very are present in downfield. These are present in downfield. Why this downfield is show because the presence of ring current and a fully delocalized pi system. See, this in this pi system, the all the electrons in these orbitals overlap to each other and form a ring current, means these electrons are delocalized or move fast in this ring. So due to this ring current, a magnetic field generated which makes these attached 6 hydrogen atoms in downfield. So the NMR spectrum shows high value of ppm of chemical shift values due to presence of this ring current. So it is proved by the proton magnetic resonance spectrum. So it shows that a delocalized system is present in the aromatic ring. Here all the pi electrons or pi bonds are not localized, these are fully delocalized. Okay, the spatial reactivity of aromatic system towards electrophile arises mainly from two factors. First factor is presence of pi electron density above and below the plane. This pi electron density makes this ring nucleophile, means this ring system may provide these pi electrons to an electrophile, so it works as a nucleophile. And second point is drive to regain the aromatic character by opting for substitution as opposed to a simple addition reaction. And second drive to form an substituted product instead of an addition product, the drive is regain of aromatic character, means as we have seen earlier that an intermediate sigma complex formed which lost aromaticity, but it again gains aromatic character. So due to this higher stability of aromatic compound, the substitution reaction take place instead of addition reaction. It can be best explained by energy profile diagrams of these two reactions. This is the energy profile diagrams of reaction of olefins or alkenes. ठीक है, addition versus substitution. Here at left hand side addition reaction is shown, and at right hand side substitution reaction is shown for an olefin. Here the example is taken cyclohexene and bromine. In addition reaction, first of all we get transition state in both case, which have almost similar energies. Then complete bond formation takes place and bromonium ion formation. Then this intermediate is shown here. This is simple addition. After that, addition of this electrophile on this nucleophile on this electrophile, we get this additive product, this addition product. Now see, this is the substitution reaction portion. This is substitution reaction portion where we again get this cyclic bromonium ion. Now in the second step, what should we do? That because it is an substitution, so one hydrogen atom will be removed as H plus ion, and it left these sigma bonding electrons inside the ring, and we get this type of molecule. See, this is again alkene where we get mono substituted product. So compare the potential energies of these two obtained products. See, when one pi bond breaks and two sigma bond formation take place, as we see here, one pi bond of cyclohexene breaks and two sigma bonds, means two bromine atoms are attached, then always the energy of the system reduces in very extent. Okay, but here the pi bond does not break, so and only one sigma bond, new sigma bond is formed in place of one hydrogen bond. So the energy of the product is decreased in low amount compared to reactants. So if we compare to these reactants, the potential energy is lower in case of addition, but is less lower in substitution. So this addition reaction is more favorable in case of alkenes or conjugated aliphatics. So in case of alkenes, we get addition reactions preferably, and we don't get substitution. But in case of reaction with benzene or aromatics, we assume these both type of reactions, addition and substitution. In addition reaction, here the energy of the system is very high. Compare this energy from with this reactant portion, the product energy or potential energy is high compared to this reactant portion, and here see, in substitution the product potential energy is lower compared to this reactant portion. How is it possible? That because of the difference between potential energies of these both obtained products. This product is aromatic due to presence of ring current, and this product, obtained product, di-substituted product, is non-aromatic because ring current or aromatic nature is lost. Okay, these both pi bonds are still in conjugation, but these show only aliphatic character or conjugated character, but these are not aromatic. But here aromatic character is present, and we know that aromatic ring system contains 140 kilojoule per mole energy, lower compared to this aliphatic system. So this product formation is favorable because it has low energy, product has low energy, very low energy compared to this di-substituted product. So this mono substituted product, this di-additive product, this mono substituted product is more stable. So substitution reaction is more favorable in case of aromatics. Any aromatic compounds like benzene or other aromatic compounds show substitution reaction instead of addition reaction, because in addition reaction the aromaticity of the aromatic system lost. So due to this, to attain a product with high stability or less energy, only substitution takes place on aromatic system. So this is the complete description of the addition and substitution reactions on pi electrons, where we see only addition reaction or simple alkenes and substitution reactions on this. So we can compare that why aromatic compounds don't give addition reactions and they give only substitution reactions. This is the main factor, which is aromaticity factor. This aromaticity factor mainly uh, affect this reaction nature where only substitution takes place. So this is the all about the introduction part. Thank you for listening this lecture.